Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will see some little bit of tricks that we can do with Applet. Uh, what I am going to show in this example is to display a HTML file in a browser by a Applet. Normally what we do to display an HTML file is to double click on HTML file, or from browser we open file, then file, then open file, then so on. In this example what we are going to do that programmatically we will show the HTML file. So firstly, see, as in the previous examples we have seen that using param tag, using this tag we can pass parameter to the applet. So I have used this tag and named that parameter this file name, and its value is an HTML file, this HTML file. Now this is my source code. Here this is my source code. See, there are a lot of packages, or there's a lot of class that I have imported. I'll explain each of them. First of all, we have taken a string called file name. This is for getting the file name from this HTML document, that is this file name. We are storing it in this string referent. Then to URL reference. What is URL? Yes, what you are thinking, exactly the same. URL is the uniform resource locator. In Java, URL are abstracted by a class also called URL, located inside the java.net package. So if you are thinking that URL can be www dot some site name, then something, yes, but URL can be a location, right? In case of a standalone machine, file name here is considered as URL, to URL reference, path and code base, and applet context reference. Applet context is an interface. It is also inside java.applet package. The class, this applet class, implements this interface, and we are going to use some of the implementation of the methods in this interface. First of all, we are assigning the applet context with this applet context reference by having a call to method get applet context. This applet context reference is needed. We will show you. The file name is assigned by get parameters. So in this case, this synthetic diamond.html is in this file name. Now code base, we are calling another method, that is get code base. Get code base is the method which returns the location of the .class file of your applet. So what is the .class file will be for this source code? It will be my applet.class. So the location of my applet.class will be stored in this URL object, that is code base. Now again we are instantiating another URL object, that is and storing it to path. That is inside URL constructor we are sending a string. This is a string, that is code base dot toString. That is, the code base means the path of the .class file, and we are making it a string by calling it the toString method as I used in the previous examples, and then appending the file name, provided the file name and the .class file for that applet will be in the same folder. That is here is synthetic diamond.html, and here is my applet.class. So this both of them resided into the same folder. So now we have the fully qualified path name. One more thing, the URL constructor throws an exception, that is the malformed URL exception. So we have calling this, we have instantiated this inside a try block. The malformed URL exception is also located in java.net package. For more detail about java.net package, you can find any, if you can go through any books that having the networking with Java. It is very interesting topic to socket programming with Java. Again, inside start method, all of our initialization tasks have been performed in the init method. Now inside start we are showing the document. See, we are writing a dot show document. Show document is the abstract method in the applet context interface, and while applet is implementing that interface, so it has a definition of that method, show document method, and we are calling this method by using reference of that interface. So let's see what does this code provides. Let's see, we are Java C files. Sorry. In this example, we won't use here applet viewer cause it won't show us the output. By the way, I'm showing you that what happens. See, nothing is there. So what we'll do, we'll use browser. So now we are going to click the HTML file. What is this? myapplet.html. See, this is not synthetic diamond.html. See, first myapplet.html, then it's directly opening the synthetic diamond.html. So this is not the case that we are opening. So in both of case it will be the same output. Say open file, Java files. If we open this, directly these files open, but in case if we open, see, first the applet initialize, that is within a this is the window of the applet that is initialized, then it is opening synthetic diamond.html. So I will suggest you guys that you open another file rather than HTML format, like document .doc file or any other file, .text file, so and experience the output. So in this video we have completed with this video, and there are little bit of trick we have used. These will be useful for your later implementation of your own applet. This code base, and there are another method document base that will be discussed later, and many of the methods defined by applet and applet context will be in the upcoming videos. So keep watching those, and obviously give your feedback to us. Thanks for watching this video.